Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to cash flow analysis. And in cash flow statement, we are doing question number 10, and it will be in two parts as it is a lengthy question. And in first part, we will be having only how to solve the problem and related working notes, and entire solution will be in the next part. So in this part, we are having only the how to solve the question that I'll explain here. The following is the balance sheet of Devi Prasad and company. You are required to prepare cash flow statement, and here we are having some information relating to it. One is capital 7,50,000. अच्छा, year 1991 and 1992 31st December का. So this is opening balances, these are closing balances we are having. So capital is increasing. If capital increases, it will be C plus, that is financial activity में plus में आ जाएगा 50,000 rupees. Reserves and surplus will go to operating activities. A में जाएगा ये. Long term loan 2 lakhs and 1,40,000. लॉन्ग टर्म लोन इंक्रीज हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ है कंपेयर टू प्रीवियस ईयर, इट इज डिक्रीज. सो 60,000 विच इज डिक्रीज विल बिकम सी माइनस, दैट इज फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटी माइनस. एंड बैंक लोन इज देयर 50,000 rupees, and it is not there in the closing balance. So whatever bank loan 60,000 is there, that has repaid, so C minus financial activity में minus में आ जाएंगे. Current liabilities they are saying together 25,000 and 30,000. Current liability okay increases cash. कैश का इफेक्ट क्या होता, करंट लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज हुआ तो. सी सिंपल, प्लीज फॉर कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट you remember like this: if cash current asset increases, cash decreases. Cash decreases if current asset increases. If current asset decreases, cash increases. And current liability increases, cash increases. Current liability decreases, cash decreases. This is what we will do in the adjustment of current assets and current liabilities under indirect method. Okay, so please remember this thing, ये वाला याद रखना. तो यहाँ पे करंट लायबिलिटी क्या हो रहा, if you see here, we are having current liability 25,000 and 30,000. So is it increased or decreased? करंट लायबिलिटी यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो रहा, तो कैश भी प्लस होगा अंडर ए ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज में, एडजस्टमेंट्स में करेंगे. एंड वी आर हैविंग वन थिंग, प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स एंड प्रपोज्ड डिविडेंड. Okay, these two things we will consider as approximation, not as current liabilities, because he is saying these are current liabilities. After that, whatever provision for tax and proposed dividend are there, we need to consider it as non-current liability or approximation of profits. So we need to do some working note 1, working note 2 relating to these things. So working note में आ जाएंगे ये दोनों. Opening balance is 25,000, closing balance 70,000. Proposed dividend, opening 10,000, closing also 10,000. Means last year proposed dividend has been paid in current year, like that we need to consider. Next, intangible assets, we are having goodwill, that is 2 lakhs and it is closing 1,50,000. so during the year written off हुआ है, कम हुआ बोले तो goodwill written off will come under A plus adjustment of non operating non fund cash non cash expenses में आ जाएगा. Machinery we are having 5 lakhs and 5,50,000 closing. So there is some additions relating to machinery, so we need to do a separate working note relating to it. यहाँ पे working note कर लेंगे इसके लिए. Furniture 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. This for this also we will do working note. And stock, debtors, cash. Leave the cash. If you add opening cash to net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalents, you should get closing one. And here furniture is given, so this furniture also will go to working note. Stock, debtors, current assets इंक्रीज हुआ या डिक्रीज हुआ देखना और उसके हिसाब से करना. सो स्टॉक इट इज़ 1,50,000 एंड हियर 50,000. करंट असेट डिक्रीज हुआ तो कैश में प्लेस में आ जाएगा. किसमें? ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में. ఆపరేటింగ్ యాక్టివిటీలో యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్లో కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ కరెంట్ లయబిలిటీస్లో. అండ్ డేటాస్ 25,000 అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 50,000. సో కరెంట్ అసెట్ increases cash minus in adjustment. Lastly, very important thing, and it is placed at wrong place. It should be here. Okay, it should be 10,000 preliminary expenses and closing value should become nil. Okay, they gave wrongly by mistake. So preliminary expenses, opening balance is 10,000, closing balance is nil. So preliminary expenses written off also will come under ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी ए में. क्या करना पड़ता है? इसको एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है, ऐड करना पड़ता है. प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंसेस रिटर्न ऑफ. लेट अस सी एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन. ड्यूरिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर, during the 1992 depreciation written off on machinery and furniture are 50,000, 75,000. these will come under మెషినరీ के लिए సపరేట్ వర్కింగ్ నోట్ కర్రా. ఓకే, మనం మెషినరీ కోసం సపరేట్ వర్కింగ్ నోట్ చేసుకుంటాం, అక్కడ వచ్చేసాయి అవి రెండు. సో లెట్ అస్ సీ ది వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ రిలేటింగ్ టు दिस प्रॉब्लम. एंड प्लीज़ रिमेंबर मैं वर्किंग नोट्स डायरेक्टली आपको समझा देता हूँ ना करते हुए. मीन्स ऑलरेडी वर्किंग नोट्स आई हैव डन. टू मेक द वीडियो शॉर्ट आई एम डूइंग वर्किंग नोट्स डायरेक्ट. And answer part will be while I am doing, it will be there in the next part. Okay, working notes we will do directly. Yeah. So question number 10, working note 1, provision for tax account. Which account? Provision for tax. We are considering it as an approximation. ओके, कैसे? नॉन करेंट लाइबिलिटी या अप्रॉक्सीमेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट जैसा ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. सो ओपनिंग बैलेंस बाय बैलेंस 25,000 ब्रॉट डाउन. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस गिवन 2 बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन 70,000. एंड डिफरेंस is profit and loss account. Current year provision 45,000 rupees. This comes under operating activity as a plus item. This is first working note. Next working note to proposed dividend. See the proposed dividend. Yeah, provision for dividend account. Working note to particulars amount. Okay, particulars amount. See, buy balance brought down, opening balance 10,000, closing balance also 10,000. Please remember one thing, one assumption we need to take, that whatever previous year proposed dividend is there or provision for dividend is there, current year you have paid to the shareholders. So to bank, dividend paid 10,000 and dividend paid is an financing, sorry, dividend paid na, फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में आ जाता. ओके, नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग, फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में लेना है. फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में लेना है, किस में लेना, we need to take it in dividend paid is a financing activity. By mistake here I wrote B, it should be C minus, ये क्या होना है, C में माइनस होना है, B में नहीं. ओके, इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज में नहीं आता, फाइनेंसिंग में आता है. ओके, एंड सो इट विल बी बैंक टू बैंक dividend paid 10,000 and whatever balance figure will be there, debit side 20,000, credit side also 20,000 we need to take. From that if you deduct opening balance by P&L account balancing figure, current year provision for dividend A place हो जाएगा appropriations में. Under appropriations we will add this 10,000. See, I wrote a note. It is assumed that previous year proposed dividend paid in current year. ये हिसाब से ही करना है, ఇట్లనే అనుకొని చేయాలమ్మా. ఓపెనింగ్ క్లోజింగ్ సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఓకేనా. అండ్ జనరల్లీ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ప్రపోజ్డ్ డివిడెండ్ విల్ బి పేడ్ ఇన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్. నెక్స్ట్ మెషినరీ అకౌంట్, టు బ్యాలెన్స్ బ్రాట్ డౌన్ 5 lakhs, క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ 5,50,000 is there, and depreciation during the year given in the adjustment by depreciation non cash expenditure A में ऐड करना पड़ता in operating activities. Okay, 50,000. So credit side it is 6 lakhs, debit side also it should be 6 lakhs. Difference balancing figure, that is 1 lakh we will write to bank. Purchase of plant and machinery, ये होगा आपका बी మైనస్ में आ जाएगा ఇన్వెస్టింగ్ యాక్టివిటీ. ఇన్వెస్టింగ్ యాక్టివిటీలో తీసుకోవాలి ఎంత, 1 lakh rupees. నెక్స్ట్ we are having furniture account, similar to that furniture also. Opening balance 2 lakhs, closing balance 3 lakhs, and current year by depreciation non cash expenditure operating activities we need to take it as a plus item. So depreciation non cash expenditure, this 75,000. So closing is 3,75,000, opening only 2 lakhs, balancing figure 2 bank purchases or furniture, purchase of furniture B minus investing activities 1,75,000. So total will match. So here I am ending the first part. Okay, आप लोग second part भी देखिए. In second part, while okay writing directly, okay, answer will be there. Okay, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का ये पार्ट 1 है, पार्ट 2 भी है, पार्ट 2 भी देखना. ओके, एंड लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करो आपके दोस्तों के. ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों समझा रहे बोले तो इसमें ज़्यादा एडजस्टमेंट है, इसलिए ये वाला समझा दिए, तो बाकी आप कर सकते. दैट्स इट.